Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is John and you're already watching my second video of this channel, and this video is really important because we will talking about the futures of the markets, about Bitcoin, about the gold, about the inflections of the United States and the recession that is coming, and the things that you have to know as an investor on the markets, and it will really help you on just focusing your mind to when you have to invest and when you want to quit the market, and when is the best time to enter. So be with me on this video and listen it carefully to understand everything. Let's go. This year, 2022, was a really weird year, and we passed it. And when you're watching this video, means that you survived the year. So congratulations because of that. Many of the startups got closed. Many of companies got bankrupt. The economy went to the really different way that it was unexampled in the past 44 years, and the economy rules got changed, really changed in a different way. So be with me on this video and I will talk about it. I will explain all of it. I will make you understand that what is our situations and what is the features of the markets. I will tell you the roadmap of the 2023, 2024 and 2025. I was researching on Trading Economics website, and I see that United States inflation rate is around 6.5, and the predictions are telling us about that in the quarter one they want to make it around 6, and in quarter two they want to make it 5.4, and in quarter three they will make it 4, and last quarter of this year 2023 the policies will make the inflections to hit a 1.9. But during this time, what is important for us? There are also predictions is telling us that the interest rate will keep on these numbers, because the Jeremy Powell said it too, that we will do something to make this inflation go down, but these decisions will not make the people happy. So the predictions will tell us that the interest rate will keep these numbers until the inflation goes down. But during this time we will go into the big recession. And what is this recession, and what is this telling to us, and what should we do? As a simple explanation, when the interest rate keep high and stay in high numbers or go to the high levels, it means that the people will put their monies to the banks or something that give them the profit, monthly profits, because the interest rate is high and the profits is good. So why not? The people will put their monies to the banks or something like that. And what is happened when the situation is like this? The NFEB will go bad, and the lots of companies, we already see that lots of companies like the Goldman Sachs or the Microsoft will fire off the employees. So this is really bad, because we are working on international markets like the gold and Bitcoin, but there is a two option here that is really important for us. This is first unemployment, and the second is the power of money. These two, when we play with these two and analyze these two, we will figure it out when we have to enter the market, when we have to exit it, and when we will enter the recession and the range market, and everything we have to know, and we will understand it from analyzing these two parameters. Based on the Bloomberg research that they did, 81% of the big economists of around the world just got predictions that the interest rate will keep on this number and the Federal Reserve will not increase or decrease it. The big recession will coming into this year, 2023, and they will do something and they will control it because the recession need healing, and this healing, this duty is on the Federal Reserve. So they will do something to heal the world and economy and fix this recession. What is important to us after all of these talks and speaks? What can we do? And when we have put our money to the risky markets like the Bitcoin, like the other markets, so I will tell you and I will explain it to you till you understand. In this year, we don't expect Bitcoin to go on really high numbers, for example 50k, 60k or more than these numbers, because the recession will just coming and the interest rate will keep on these numbers, and we still don't expect that the XY, the power of money, go much than these levels. So we don't expect Bitcoin go lower than these levels too. But in the mid years of the 2023, I think the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency is a really good opportunity for investing. I think in the mid 2023 is really good and maybe the best time for investing on the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency. For the year, for the 2024 and 2025, that the recessions got healed and the economy health is getting to the better mood. The startups will open again, the companies will just accepting the employees, and there's something important in this position that we already in is we can't wait until everything goes to the good mood and we just start to learning the things. We just start learning how to analyze the fundamental, how to analyze technical, what is Bitcoin, what is cryptocurrency, how to invest, find the best exchange, find the best wallet, and we will just be at the middle of the road. So this is not a good investment for us. The good investors should, when everything is quiet, when nobody talk about anything, when there is no excitement in the market, the investors should invest on the markets, and when everyone's getting excitements of the markets, when everyone's start to talking about it, when everyone's start to invest, the good investors that invest at the last cycle will just sit here and enjoy the profits and enjoy the cycle. And when the greeds go too much and so high, and when the lots of money, amateurs money, starting to invest on the market, the good investor will just quit it and exit the market. This is all of the investor things and rules. Gold is one of the best markets these days and one of the best opportunities on these days in Q1 2023 because when we look at the interest rate, when we see the power of money, when we see the situation on the world and the huge value that incoming to the gold by the central banks of the countries, we will just see that the big mans on the market will start to buying the gold. So I'm really in it that the gold have the potential to go to 80h in this year 2023, maybe on the last Q4 2023 we will easily see the gold going to the ATH, for example, 3,000 United States dollar, and on these days, I mean now, not the next 6 months or another year, and this time the gold is one of the best opportunity to invest on it. But there's a big important things is don't have a fantasy on any markets. Don't have a fantasy on a cryptocurrency, don't have a fantasy on the gold, don't have a fantasy on United States stocks or Nasdaq or S&P or anything. Don't have a fantasy and really focus on it, because the target and the purpose is just making money. This is the purpose, this is the target, the making money. And the good investor and the good trader will just hit the market that already in a focus, already at excitement, and when the excitement got over and the recession will start, it will quit that market and enter another that is popular in the world. So take your targets to make the money, not fixing your mind on one specific market. Do not look at the making money like this, don't think like this, and clear your mind. Just think wisely, watch the chart wisely, choose the best opportunity and invest the money and make the best profits that you can. And so if we're going to discuss about the Bitcoin, I think not me, the biggest man's on the markets, predictions are the Bitcoin maybe hit 28k, 29k or even 30k, but it will go back again. It will go back again suddenly, because there is no reason for pump it. There is no reason. The world economy is on the bad health and it's still not healed, and the world economy need healing. So this cycle is really different with the past few cycles. For example, for the coronavirus crash or something like that, the world economy is really on a bad health, and this recession need to be healed, and it will take some time. Don't look so fantasy on the things and the situations. Just look it wisely and see the truth. The big and important rules for a good investors is to be in a good and right market in a right time and a good time. So for example, imagine that you have a 10,000 United States dollar now and you want to invest it on a Bitcoin. Why? Because the recession we just started, and this is a good time, really good time, and the best time to put it on the gold. So when you can just put it your $10,000 to the gold and make it 50,000, and when the gold excitements got over, I will put out my 15,000. I make my 10,000 to 50,000, and I will put it to the Bitcoin, and the better prices. I mean, in the mid 2023, I believe that the Bitcoin will go to the better prices than 25k thousands. Maybe I can buy Bitcoin in the mid 2023 with the 50,000s or even lower than these levels. So it is the best. It is really good and better than I wasting my money and my time on the Bitcoin for one completely year to start pumping and go for the ATH. So I think wisely, as I told you, and see around, see the recession, see the interest rates, and just compare all of them together. But in the year 2024 and 2025, lots of people will find bad emotions and bad feelings because they don't have the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, and we will see the really amazing prices, because and they don't have it, and I will tell you why. Because in 2023, this year, we will see that deepest price, the deepest price, that everyone is getting scared and they will escape the market and they will fear and they will quit the market. But that's the best opportunity to enter the market, because before that we had a lots of fake emotions about pumping Bitcoin. At the moment we already watching it, and during that time they will quit the market. We will see that some exchange getting hacked, the price will go down. We will see the bankruptcy of some companies like Genesis. So we will see, absolutely we will see the good companies bankruptcy during this year, during this recession, and during that time lots of people will exit the market. But that's the best time to enter and invest on the cryptocurrency. Because of that, I told you that the mid 2023 is the really good time for invest on the cryptocurrency. So as a good investor, just don't fear and don't have a greed, and think wisely. Do your things with your mind, not your emotions. It will kill you if you do the things with your emotions. And don't really listen to the people. They don't care about your money. They don't care about you when you lose your money, and they will think about just doing some fantasy things, like these things will go to the moon, that things will go to the moons, and other things will go to the Mars. And don't really listen to these things. Grow up yourself, go learning how to analyze and learning everything that you need, and don't listen to anybody else. Just do your things. Don't really listen to the people who they are so funny. They will just steal your money. The economy is only about the math, and it's not exciting. If Bitcoin goes with exciting things and emotions, then it's not a good currency. We are making Bitcoin to the currency of the world, so it should have the fixed roadmap. It should to move with the economy. It will not exit and it will not quit the road. So don't think too much, just upgrade it. Upgrade your mind, upgrade yourself, upgrade your knowledge and skills, and look at the chart and look at the economy, health of the world, and that's it. You got the point and you will be rich. That's it. Our video is nearly finished, and I tried to tell you everything about the markets, when you have to, when is the best time to enter the gold, when is the best time to quit the gold, make the money with the gold in these days, and the best time to invest on the cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin, and everything about the decisions that you have to know, everything about interest rates and inflections of the United States and the economy of the world. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that it was useful for you guys, and use this video to earn money, because this is the duty. We should earn money together, and the things that I don't know, I have to learn it from you guys, and the things that you don't know, this is my duty to tell you guys. So stay safe, and thank you for watching. Till the next video.